Jeff, I mean, I was surprised by these numbers because Labor Day doesn't come until next weekend, so it'll be counted obviously as part of September. It's a huge sales month, a sales weekend, I should say, for the automakers. How did they all do better than we anticipated in the month of August?
Yeah, I'm just glad we're talking about auto sales and not stocks. But that really, as we led into the close of August, that was really what held at least our expectations back a little bit, is the volatility we saw in the stock market. Maybe consumers were going to sit on the sidelines, and that didn't happen. We're definitely off to the races. The numbers reporting in so far are certainly exceeding expectations.
How much do you expect? I mean, we see lower fuel prices, not huge drops. How much does that affect auto sales? Because obviously it's the big trucks and SUVs that are being sold. And how much do you expect this huge drop in stocks that we saw in August and that we're now seeing today to affect consumers going forward?
Yeah, no question the low gas prices are having an impact on the positive side, so it's countering, I think, maybe some of the consumer confidence hit that the stock market is causing. You know, it really comes down to the volatility when we look at consumers' purchases. So as we continue to see this volatility in the market, I think in September there could be some results or some pullback as a result of that. But we do have Labor Day in this September, so the year-over-year comparison is going to be strong. And I think, frankly, all eyes are going to be on the Fed to see what they do with interest rates.
What are the big? What's the big catalyst for General Motors? You know, coming close to breaking even when we were looking for a 2.5% drop. At Ford, clearly the F-150's almost 5% gain was a huge mover, a driver for them. At Fiat Chrysler, obviously Jeep is a big driver for them. Right. What's going on at GM?
Yeah, you know, it's on the truck side of the market. It's SUVs and it's pickup trucks that are helping to drive the numbers that we're seeing here in August, and it's really a continuation of that trend. SUVs have been hot all year, and we expect that to continue throughout the year.
How helpful have lease deals been, extending loans to 7 years? We hear a lot about subprime lending. I mean, easier credit in general. Has that been a huge tailwind?
Absolutely. That's helped create some stability, certainly on the transaction side of the deal. You got to get consumers into the showrooms. Once they're there, finding great lease deals as well as long-term financing certainly has helped manage that monthly payment, which is what consumers are doing today.
All right, Jeff, thanks very much for that. Jeff Schuster there from LMC Automotive.